Beautiful souls, I am Awakened Soul, and today we're going to be looking at ADA. Every day I'm going to attempt to do a coin based on the coin market cap. So if you have any coin that you want me to chart for you, please let me know in the comments and I will prioritize it and tag you in the video. But today is going to be ADA, so let's go ahead and begin. We're going to start on let's go ahead and do a monthly time frame. Within our monthly here, setting support and resistance time frames, have this nice doji building up here. Undecision times. Turn on the magnet. This is our support. Hope you're having a beautiful day. And our resistance. Let's go for the weekly. Within the weekly, we're going to do support and resistance from the previous candle. And weekly time frames are oranges. Okay, let's go ahead to our daily. And at the same time, I'm just visualizing the price action, how it's under 12 and 26 EMA, how it's right in between 12, 26 EMA and the weekly. Now we're coming to the daily. On the daily, it's technically still bearish. I'm sorry, bullish, because it's the 12 and the 26 EMA have not crossed. But price action is under the 12. We'll see. Anyways, let's go ahead and set support and resistance in our daily. Dailies are always yellow. Sometimes I'll be doing my charting without me speaking, so I want you to get used to the colors of my chart. So within the daily, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my higher high, lower low indicator that I do overlap two of them. One is always set at 30 and one is set at, I play with it, 3, 6, or 9. Okay, so here I'm just gonna focus within price action to try to get some nice trend lines here going from my low to my, technically it's a higher low from this low. Okay, this is daily. Okay, so how do you get your daily target? 1 touch, 2 touches, right in between. We're going to set a vertical line, and then we're going to place a horizontal line, the intersection. We're going to mark it, and that's going to be our daily target. That's our daily bearish target, and just like we do a bearish target, we have to have a bullish target, right? We're traders. Anything could happen with cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark, let's see, where's my trend line, from this high to the most current high here. Squeezing is definitely going to be doing something this next couple of days. So 1 touch, 2 touch, the lowest price action here. We're going to mark it with the vertical line here, and we're going to go ahead and tag it right here, and this will be our daily target. Perfect. Okay, beautiful. Let's go ahead and move into our 4 hours. Within our 4 hours, we're going to concentrate on price action again, right? We're going to set our 4-hour range here. What's our 4-hour range? We have this nice low here. 4 hours are in green. Right, we just broke this high, so our next 4-hour resistance will be this high. So this is our 4-hour range. Within our range, we're also going to set some nice trend lines. It's getting pretty tight. Okay, this is 4. So I think it's the first time I ever chart ADA, to be honest with you. I'm like, interesting. I'm just trying to go with the flow here, trying to see what I visualize, what I see. So I'm going to do one touch from 2 touches. This is the lowest price action here, so I'm going to put a vertical line here. And let's see the target for this break to the upside. We just hit target, or we're about to. Okay. Make sure everything 4 hours is in green, just to color coordinate everything. So it looks like it's gonna hit it, and we'll go. It's 4 hours, right? I just had to zoom in on the 1 hour just to get a more accurate target for you. Let's go ahead in 30 minutes. Within the 30 minutes, we're creating a new high here. So because this is a daily and a 4 hour, right, support, now it's resistance here. So if we cross this trend line, we're coming up to higher targets, obviously. And we'll get there when we get there, but for now, let's see, 30 minutes. Oops, wrong trend line. So 4 hours bearish, 1 hour a little bullish, 30 minutes bullish, 15 minutes bullish. Okay, this is my 4 hour target, so it's gonna hit it right now, or it gets pretty close to it. Always be conservative when you take your profits. Okay, 1 touch, 2 touches. So I would set an alarm here. There's this 15-minute trend line, smaller play here, and I would set my alarm at this resistance trend line. Sorry, trying to think and assess the charts at the same time. So if we were to cross to the upside, we could still roll over to the downside, right? Now this is our next major resistance, right? If we were to cross this trend line now, we have this low point here, and that would be your next target for the bullish scenario. That would be more of a 4 hour play, maybe a 1 hour play. So let's go ahead and mark it in blue. Okay, but this continues up, but remember, within each up movement there's going to be some consolidation, some retracement, so just keep that in mind. So we could hit our 4 hour target and just roll over. If we cross this, it could continue the uptrend. If we cross this 4 hour trend line, that's when we need to be careful, because if it crosses this 4 hour trend line, you will see this target being hit. This is a 1 hour target, and then we continue to the upside within this wedge here. All right, guys, that's what I have for you on ETH. I hope that helped. So remember, next move that I see, just with the RSI being oversold, is probably consolidation here or a rollover to the downside. If we roll over to the downside, this is our highest peak of 1 touch, 2 touches here in the smaller time frame, right? And then I have this target, so it will be hitting the bottom of the 4 hour trend line. All right, thank you so much. You have a wonderful day, and remember to do everything with love.